Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the CampingFamily channel. This is take 3. Had a little incident, thought I would mention. It is now, well, we're in late December now. Getting ready to winterize. I wanted to take the rig over, fill it up with fuel. So I did that the other day and got over to BP, looked down, and the check engine light was on. So, okay, all right. Drove it back. Didn't give it any gas. BP's only a mile up the street. Came back. I've got a scanner, an ODB2 port scanner. So put it on there. Found out it was throwing a bunch of codes through, I don't know, 4 or 5 misfires, and there was another one. Looked it up, and I kind of figured it's probably plugs, because I'm sure that the plugs have not been changed in here. This is a 2003. And I've gone through all the service records that the owner prior, actually 2 owners prior, had in the booklet. I didn't see much work done on the engine, so kind of figured it was plugs and or coils. So luckily there's a new shop up the street. I called them, asked them if they could do an RV, and they said yeah. Took it up there, and he looked at it, looked it over, and I actually called it. It actually was, he said it was the, I'm looking here, coils on plugs 1 and 4, actually cylinders 1 and 4, and he had some misfires on the plugs themselves. So all around, replaced all 10 of the spark plugs, replaced the coil packs on cylinders 1 and 4, and he did test all of the other coil packs, said they were good. I asked him if I needed to maybe proactively start replacing coils. He said they all tested good, shouldn't have any problems for a while, but I'm kind of to the point where if I can look in this bay here and see a coil pack and think that I can swap it out, I might just start doing that. So if any of you out there have replaced coil packs, doesn't look like it's hard to do. I think I might just proactively get a couple, and if I can reach them underneath the doghouse here, I'm just going to start replacing them, because they're going to start going bad. I know they are. I've had Fords forever. That's the only trucks I've ever driven are Fords. I've had coil packs going on all my trucks because I've had them so long. I'm just waiting for the F350 to start going bad. So I know it's a Ford thing, but yeah, always something. So I did that, and I had to change the oil while it was there. I haven't had a chance to get to the oil change, so it's nice to have the fresh oil in there while it's stored for winter. I don't like having used oil in there during the winter. So I had a quick oil change, and yeah, plugs all around, and 2 coil packs. So runs like a champ now. I just kind of wonder how long it's been doing that. I don't know if the coil packs may have been going bad even when I bought the vehicle, which was, when did I buy this? June? May, June, somewhere in there? I wonder if they've been kind of going bad the whole time. I haven't really driven on the expressway, so yeah, they could have been going bad the whole time. But a couple things, I'm glad it was looked at. Made a couple comments about the status of the brake lines are starting to get some dry rot. So that was good feedback. That's the stuff I like to hear. I might just take this in next year and maybe just have them proactively swap out those brake lines. So I'd rather be proactive than reactive. That's always my theory. So yeah, a couple of things. It's just part of having an older vehicle, you know. It's just the way it is. But I thought I'd do a quick little update. I like to have these updates in there so I can rewatch them. So yeah, if you got 4 vehicle, coil packs and plugs. Obviously plugs, but yeah. Anyway, thanks to watching. If you have Ford vehicles, those coil packs, especially in trucks, those 6.2 liter, 6.8 liter coil packs, they're not cheap either. They're like $70 a pop. So anyway, hope everyone's doing well, and thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.